Hey guys, I'm Delta's Transport Adventures and welcome back to a bus and plane spotting video. Now, I am going to be going on the 24 Arriva service down to Luton Station, and then pretty soon after that I am going to be on an A bus to the airport, and we're going to be at Luton Parkway for the DHL A300 departure out to Frankfurt, and then we're going to see the Icelandair 757 arrival and departure flights, and then a DHL Boeing 767 as well. So, I hope you enjoy. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and click on your notifications so don't miss any videos. Alright, the bus should be here soon. Today we have an Olympus B9TL coming. We're going to stay at Luton Station Interchange for around 20 minutes. And then we're going to hop on the A bus to Luton Parkway. Right, here it is. Hi Steve, are you okay? 1 second. I've got a ticket with me. Good to go. I just need to book my ticket. Right, let's get going. Let's go upstairs, shall we? In fact, never mind. Let's sit downstairs. I'm just gonna put my things here. Man, this thing has a cooling fan. Very interesting. I guess we got some new deckers in. These are good ones. Sorry? Okay. I've been on some of them since they entered service.
Do you want to sit down, mate?
Okay, I'll go take a seat.
Move your box out now. Move your box so it's not blocking the aisle.
Okay. Yeah, it's best if I sit down. You know what? I'm gonna go upstairs.
Yeah, move your queue.
Oh, sorry.
Move your queue out of the way.
Yep, sorry about that. Yeah. Yep, my apologies there. Sometimes I don't know where to put things.
That's all right, mate. You want to take a seat?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's go up here. No problems there. I can see an Enviro 200 MMC on the run. There's also one Evora as well on the run. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. Right. Sorry, I just had to redo the recording as I was checking Discord. I realized that there's an update from Builds on the Stansted Airport project. Anyway, let's continue our ride on the Olympus. I'm liking these Olympuses so far. Damn, that cooling fan. I can see pretty much everything up here, which is why I enjoy double decks. go, let's go, let's go. It's a nice and sunny day today. Very nice day to do some plane spotting and bus riding at the same time. It's currently 10:05 and we've got around 40 minutes left until the DHL takes off. We're going to spend some time at the interchange and then we're going to hop on the A bus to go to Luton Parkway. Trees. I wonder if we can find some trains. I don't see any. Right. We're at the interchange. Few street shots over there. They are indeed horrible buses. At least I do not ride on them anymore. Alright, we're here. Alright guys, I'll be back in a sec. I'm just going to grab my stuff. Alright, here is the Olympus, which will be going back to the hospital. It was a nice ride overall. I've got to be careful. Whoa! Freight. Alright, let's cross the road. That's the green line. Mercedes-Benz tourist mode. And here we have a Volvo Eclipse, not in service. Here's some Evoas. That's an A, which I am going to be taking to go to Luton Parkway. Alright guys, in the meantime, I'm going to stay here for around 20 minutes. And then we're going to be taking the 10:39 bus to go to the parkway. See you guys in half an hour. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm back. This is our A bus, which we are going to take to go to the parkway. I just found out that the DHL is on the move and it should be taking off soon. So we need to hurry. We need to hurry up. We need to hurry. The DHL is on the move. Okay, let's hurry up. There's not a minute to spare. I'm going to see where it is. Not to panic, guys. It has not taken off yet. But I'm assuming by the time we get to the parkway, it should be near the runway. I've looked on Flight Radar 24. This is it. We don't have long left until we get there. We're gonna get off at the Vauxhall bus stop. Right, let's get my stuff. I'll try it. My bag. Alright, now that we're here, I'm just going to check Flight Radar one more time. Okay guys, we're here now. The A300 is near the runway. and it should be taking off any second. Going to put my things there. Okay. Don't worry, we're just in time. Ah, thank goodness. There it is. Impressive. Beautiful. Ah, wow. That was a beautiful takeoff, guys. Loving the sound of those Pratt & Whitney engines. Ah, let's calm down. Thank goodness. We caught it just in time. Did you guys enjoy it? To me, it was fun. Awesome. I kind of heard a buzzsaw sound from the engines. And that could be because the pilot almost went on toga. I don't think it was flex. It was close to a toga. I don't think it's flex. Alright guys, so now that we've caught the DHL A300 departure out to Frankfurt, I am going to go to the terminal and we are going to see the Icelandair Boeing 757 arrival. It's on its way from Marrakesh in Morocco. And then it will be heading out to Reykjavik. Alright, I'll see you in the terminal. Okay guys, I am up at the multi-storey car park. The 757 should be showing up soon. Let's wait up here for these planes to take off. And also, the DHL 767 should also be on its way. So, let's wait for the 757. Right, here comes the 757. I see it over there in the distance. Let's see if he will butter it. Nice butter! There it is, guys! The Icelandair! Boeing 757. Let's watch it taxi near us. Yep, they're the Rolls-Royce engines. Loving it. This will be heading out to Reykjavik soon. Awesome! Loving that noise. Awesome. Registration is TFFIA. Tango Foxtrot India Alpha. Very nice. Yeah, I'm okay.
What's for this one?
That's a 757. They're my favourite narrow body jets. Yeah. Damn, sorry if it's looking... Alright guys, now that the 757 has landed, here comes the 767 from DHL. This is coming from Amsterdam. Look at that. Let's see if he butters it. Good landing. Beautiful. Heavy. Versus stunned. Here it is. They're GE the DHL 767. Beautiful arrival. Look at the 767. Loving it. It's loud as well. Very loud. Look at the 767. It's beautiful. Okay guys, I'm near the Hampton by Hilton. The 757 to Reykjavik is now running and it should be taking off soon. So let's sit back, relax and enjoy the departure. There it is. Nice! Awesome! Beautiful! Off it goes! Back to going to Reykjavik. How was that, guys? Did you enjoy it? That was an awesome takeoff of the 757. Alright, so now that the 757 is now off, I'm going to wait for the 767 now. Alright guys, I was thinking about going to the long stay car park to see the 767 being parked up on stand number 31, but it turns out that no buses are showing. The others have just passed me by and there's only half an hour left until departure time. So we're gonna stay here instead and just see the 767 taking off. I should have went to the long stay straight after it landed. Anyway, the 767 should be moving in half an hour. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna go inside the Hampton by Hilton hotel. I'm going to use the toilet and then I'll be back out here for the 767. Alright, I'll be back soon. Alright guys, last takeoff for the day. The 767 is now on the move. It should be taking off soon. And then after that, I'll be heading on the A bus, leaving the airport, as I've got a snooker session soon to get to with my dad. He's currently at work and he's gonna be finishing after the 767 takes off. Alright guys, the 767 is moving now. It should be taxiing to the runway and it should take off soon. Let's sit back, relax and enjoy the departure. There it is. Beautiful! Awesome! It sounded like the A300 with the GE engines. Off it goes to Amsterdam. How was that, guys? That was an awesome takeoff. Overall, that was a spectacular takeoff from the 767. I have thoroughly enjoyed myself. We saw a 757 landing and taking off, and we saw a 767 as well from DHL. Alright guys, I am going to be heading to my snooker session, so the video ends here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye now.